Hello, please share a concise introduction about your electronics expertise.
My name is Ahmad Rizky Fahruddin, and I have a solid foundation in electronics, particularly in circuit analysis, design, and simulation. I am experienced in using tools like Proteus and Multisim, and have worked on various projects involve AC DC converter, digital logic circuit, and analog signal processing. I am passionate about applying theory into practical solution and continuously improving through hands-on learning.
Okay. How does this position help fulfill your ambition in electronics?
This position aligns with my goal of contributing to innovative electronics product development and allow me to enhance my practical skill through real-world challenges.
Can you explain how our corporate culture support electronic engineering advancement?
Your culture is continuous learning, interdisciplinary collaboration, and investment in R&D greatly support engineering growth, enabling engineers to stay at the forefront of technological development.
And how have you handled electronic component troubleshooting in your past role?
I use a schematic approach start with visual inspection followed by multimeter testing and simulation verification. I also cross-reference datasheet to identify incorrect specification or damaged component.
What action do you take when your task causes a technical disruption?
I immediately isolate the cause, communicate transparently with the team, and implement a temporary fix while work on a permanent solution.
Can you provide examples of how your strength improve your work?
My strength in attention to detail help me catch design errors early in the development process, saving the both time and resource. My ability to learn quickly also allowed me to adapt to new tools and system efficiently.
Have your weakness ever affected your work negatively, and how?
Yes, early in my academic work, I tend to overanalyze problems, which slow down my progress. I see science improve by setting clear priorities and deadlines to stay on track.
How do you maintain professionalism when dealing with difficult supervisor?
I remain respectful, focus on fact, and communicate calmly. I try to understand their expectation and adjust my approach without compromising my integrity.
How do you balance leadership and collaboration in a team project?
I lead by setting clear goals and encouraging input from every team member. I ensure responsibilities are shared fairly and promote open communication for effective teamwork.
What do you do if a conflict cannot be resolved immediately?
I focus on maintaining professionalism, suggest a temporary compromise, and schedule a follow-up discussion. I also involve a neutral third party if needed.
How do you maintain mental and physical health despite work pressure?
I manage my time wisely, take regular breaks, exercise, and practice mindfulness. I also seek support from peers or mentors when needed.
How do you stay motivated to keep initiating new ideas?
I stay updated with the latest trends in electronics, attend workshop, and challenge myself with personal projects. Seeing small wins also keep me inspired.
Describe your approach to communicating bad news professionally?
I present the fact clearly, explain the cause and purpose solution. I stay calm, take responsibility if needed, and show readiness to help fix the issue.
Describe a time when you had to make a difficult decision as a leader.
During a group project, I had to resign a task from a member who was consistently underperformed. I explained the reasoning, reason based on skill, and ensured no one felt excluded.
What is your minimum acceptable salary for this role?
Considering the responsibilities of the role and the cost of life in Yogyakarta, my minimum acceptable salary for a position as an electronics technician would be around Indonesian rupiah 4 million rupiah to 5,500,000 rupiah per month. I am still open to negotiation depend on the overall benefits, work environment, and learning opportunities.
How do you maintain productivity during overtime hours?
I prioritize tasks, take short break, and maintain hydration and focus. I also make sure to rest properly after work to avoid burnout.
How willing are you to for work?
I am very willing to travel if it support the company's goals and contribute to my professional growth.
How you like to give any final comments?
I am excited about the opportunity to grow with your team and contribute meaningfully. Thank you for considering my application.